Alright folks, today we're going to talk about the world's most popular pimple. The video has over 42 million views and we're going to watch it in its entirety here in a moment. First off, here's a little information about the video. The video was uploaded by a user named Big Dong. I've already pressed play, let's watch it. It's just a still image. 42 million views and 10,000 dislikes. So I'm going to make sure you see some pimple popping by watching this video. But can you believe that the video that was just a still image had 42 million views? It's probably the most hated video on YouTube with 10,000 dislikes. And frankly, I don't even know if this image is real or Photoshop. It looks a little Photoshopped by the size and consistency. What do you think? Go ahead and leave a comment below if you think it's real or fake. Alright folks, go ahead and click like if you prefer to see real pimple popping, like Maxwell's pop right here. Go ahead and check out that video on our channel. Thanks for watching everyone, take care, subscribe, and goodbye.
Hey folks, if you ever have trouble falling asleep, staying asleep, or just don't feel refreshed in the morning, then check out Rest More. It's a non-narcotic supplement formulated for Dr. Auger to help you sleep easier and better. There are 19 different ingredients in Rest More, but I'm just going to give you a quick summary so you can see how it works. We've got the vitamins and minerals, magnesium, calcium, and B6. All are important for sleep metabolism, but magnesium is known to have a calming effect. Then, there's a handful of herbs and plants known to help with sleep. There's valerian, which is commonly used for sleep disorders. It's often combined with hops and lemon balm. St. John's wort helps improve mood and decreases anxiety. Goji berry. Goji promotes restorative sleep and also works well with ashwagandha. Chamomile, a classic sleepy tea. And skullcap and passion fruit, because why not? The last group of ingredients are building blocks and elements of your sleep and feel-good hormones. I won't go into much detail, but a quick note on the amino acid tryptophan. There's an interesting video by Dr. Auger that explains the Thanksgiving turkey tryptophan myth, but the gist of it is that tryptophan does make you sleepy, but there's almost the same amount of it in a lot of foods, like chicken, and that it's overeating that really knocks you out. I mention this because adding a small quality snack to your diet before bedtime might actually help you sleep better. So there you go. When you just need more rest, get rest more. Check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful and informative. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Good night.